Today we are going to make the baking soda and vinegar fire extinguisher. What we need for this is baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, some candles, vinegar, and a bottle. So now we will take some of the baking soda, pour it into a little cup. We will make a funnel out of a piece of paper. So you can go in our bottle. Want to dump it in there? Now we'll take some of the vinegar, also pour this in the cup. Do this without spilling it. Swirl it up a little bit. So now what we have inside here is a reaction. The sodium bicarb is a base, the vinegar is an acid. So this is creating a carbonic acid reaction, which will eventually decompose and break down into carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is heavier than oxygen, so it goes down and puts out all the flame. Try that again. Show this again. We will roll over the flames. And as we roll over, the carbon dioxide sinks over the top of all of the flames and puts them out because it's suffocating the flame because there's no oxygen present. Pretty cool, huh guys? Now let's see how strong it'll put out the torch. So I take the torch, put the torch in the bottle, it puts it right out. There's no oxygen inside the bottle. Alright, so there we have it. The invisible fire extinguisher.
Yeah.
Alright, vinegar, baking soda creates a reaction that turns into carbon dioxide and smothers the flame. Pretty cool, huh? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.
Evie and Daddy made this video.
Yeah. Be sure to subscribe because we'll be making some other ones.
Yeah.